Hello guys, in this video, I want to introduce you about Expandtabs. But before I explain this topic, please like, subscribe, comment, and share so that I will be more enthusiastic in making other interesting videos. Expandtabs is a part of modifying strings in Python. The Expandtab method sets the type size to the specified number of white spaces. For syntax, I will type it in my screen. For syntax, string dot expand tabs, and there is a type size word in round brackets. In this expand tabs method, there is a parameter value, namely type size. For type size description, it is optional, a number specifying the type size, and default type size is egg. Now, I will give you two examples. Okay, let us see my screen. Txt equals h in uppercase, GE, GL, TLTO. Now I want to make a variable x equals txt dot expand tabs. There is a two number in number brackets. Print x. Okay, you can see that the result is hello. Now I will give you a different example. Txt equals h in uppercase, GE, GL, GL, GO. Print txt. Okay, you can see. Print txt dot expand tabs. Next, print txt dot expand tabs 2. Next, print txt dot expand tabs 4. Now, print txt dot expand tabs 10. That's all from me guys. Hopefully this video is useful and see you in the next video.